A really easy way to hook into kids' love of transporting or moving objects around is to take an egg carton and turn it into a treasure box. You can make it a math lesson. And how many treasures can we fit in our treasure box?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And it will naturally be a lesson in the senses if you ask kids to describe how objects feel, smell, look, and why they chose them for their treasure box. To turn an egg carton into a treasure box, simply empty out an egg carton and wonder with kids, what could this be? What is it?
Treasure box?
It's a treasure box! Then you can ask them what kinds of things go well in the treasure box, just to help them understand the size they're looking for. Help them find 1 or 2 treasures, and they're off. After kids are done, you can ask them about their treasures. You can model smelling, seeing, feeling to give them even more ways to describe objects and use their senses. Or just let them tell you why they picked what they picked and maybe even where this treasure could go to spark a little imagination. For Ivy, she was really excited to bring her treasures to the fairies because fairies are small, and these were really special, small, tiny treasures.